Open any browser and then go to www.hostinger.com. Browse the hosting options and choose one that meets your requirements. You can have a look at all the various options and features available in each of the hosting plans. You can also compare the options side by side. We have chosen the business hosting plan. Click on Add to Cart. This will take you to a page where you will have the option to select a period. Enter your email address if you are not already logged in. If you have a coupon code, enter it here and then click Apply. We're going to choose a period of 12 months. We have a free domain for the first year in our business hosting plan. Then enter your payment details in the corresponding fields. Don't worry, this card doesn't work anymore. Click on Submit Secure Payment. You have various options here to pay through your credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, or CoinGate. If you have two-step verification set up with your bank, it will pop up here. Enter the code you received and click Submit. Since we were not logged in previously with an account, we are being asked to enter a new password for our new account creation with the email we provided in the payment page. Enter your password here. Re-enter the same password and click Confirm. Go to your email inbox and click Verify Email in the email received from Hostinger. The next page will show you option to enable two-step verification for your Hostinger account. We are going to enable it. You have two options here: mobile application method and email authentication method. We are going to use mobile authentication method. Click Enable. You will be asked to re-enter your password. Enter your password and click Submit. Go back to your email inbox and copy the two-step verification code you received in your email. Paste the code in here and click Confirm. Now from here, we need to scan this QR code with our Authenticator app. You can use Microsoft Authenticator app or Google Authenticator app for this purpose. Once done, enter the code here and click Verify. You will be given 9 one-time use only backup codes that you can use to log into your account just in case you forget your password. Click on Download. Save the backup codes in a safe place. You can also print the backup codes by clicking on Print. We're going to save it as PDF. Click on Finish Setup. If you need to disable the two-factor authentication anytime, you can do it from the Security tab here. Let's go to the Account Information tab. We're going to enter our phone number here. Click on Continue. You will be asked to enter your two-factor authentication code to continue. Enter the code here and click Verify. Then we can update our company information. Enter the corresponding information here and click Continue. Again, you will be asked to enter your two-factor authentication code here. We are going to connect our hosting account to our Google account. This will help us log into our hosting account with our Google account. When asked, enter your two-factor authentication code. That's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to see how we set up our business web hosting.